Hello dear friends! Today we are going to speak with you about zero conditional. But first of all, as usual, let's make acquaintances with the words that we need during our lesson. The first word is a daughter, дочь, an iron, железо, wet, мокрый, to heat, греть, to boil, кипятить, grass, трава, to get sick, тошнить. Now let's return to the topic of our lesson. But first of all, I want to speak with you about what does conditional sentence mean. So, conditional sentence is usually made up of two parts. Look please at the blackboard behind me. It consists of conditional clause and main clause. The conditional clause is also called if part. And the main clause, this is the result, what happens. Look here please, if part and result. The two clauses can come in any order in the sentence. In written English, if conditional clause comes first, you put comma between conditional clause and main clause. But if main clause comes first, you don't need any comma. Look here please. Main clause and conditional clause. You don't put any comma. Now let's speak about zero conditional sentence. What does zero conditional sentence mean? We use zero conditional sentence if we speak about things that happens regularly or naturally or automatically to another things. Please, let's observe the next examples. Every time someone sends Kate an email, she writes back immediately. Here you see that things happen automatically. If we want to make a zero conditional sentence, we need to see what part will be a conditional clause and what part will be the main clause. In this example, the if part or conditional clause is someone sends Kate an email. The result or the main clause, what happens, is that she always writes back immediately. So, the zero conditional sentence will sound next way. If someone emails Kate, she writes back immediately. What about grammatical tenses? In zero conditional sentence, in conditional clause, we usually use present simple. We also use present simple in main clause. Instead of if, we can also use when, and the meaning of the sentence will be the same. Let's observe the next example. When someone emails her, she replies straight immediately. So here we replace if with when, and the meaning of our sentence is still the same. In the end of our lesson, as usual, I propose you to make the small exercise in order to fix everything what you have already heard during this lesson. But this time your task will be the next. You receive sentences, not exactly the sentences, but the words. For example, water, boil, heat to 100 degrees. Your task is to make the zero conditional sentence. It will look like next way. Water boils if you heat it to 100 degrees. And in the end of our lesson, as usual, I wish you good luck. Goodbye.